Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we're going to be repairing this gorgeous 1/18 scale AUTOart Lamborghini Murcielago. And yeah guys, this item actually I bought for an awesome price. Basically I paid $35 for it plus shipping. And you know, the item itself is not perfect. As you guys can see, the mirror here was broken, I guess by the previous owner, and it's also missing. If you guys can see, there's a piece of the other owner's mirror in it, but that's not a big worry for me because I actually have the spare mirror right here, guys, ready to go. This is from a previous model. It was actually a different color Murcielago that I already parted ways with. I couldn't find the mirror to that one before I sold it, and so then I don't know where I found it years after that. And so now, sure enough, I can go ahead and for a very a small price, I'm gonna be able to bring this item back into mint condition. Now, the other issue that this item had was this right here, guys. As you guys can see, on the Lamborghini letters are missing 3 letters, any. Now, it's not a major problem because even from a distance you can still see the letters. It's not like a big deal, but I'm still gonna perfect it just because my OCD may flare up like that. But yeah, my whole plan is that I'm going to wait until eBay has another $5 coupon type of promotion, which they be having plenty of. And as soon as they got that, I'm gonna basically buy the decals on eBay, and I'm gonna basically replace them same way that I did on my previous video where I replaced the horse on the Ferrari F430, you know, a BBR. And so yeah guys, so replacing the chrome decal back here is really not gonna be no issue for me, and I definitely took this into account when I bid it. And that's why I knew that this was a great investment for me, because I knew that I had everything to be, you know, everything needed to be able to bring this item back to mint condition. Now I'm gonna show you guys how easy this is gonna be. The first thing that I want to do is, guys, is basically show you that I'm gonna have to clean up that side, guys. Okay, so this side right here, I'm gonna have to really get in here, and I'm going to really have to somehow get that yellow, you know, that yellow thing right there. I'm gonna have to basically get that out of there. All right guys, now okay guys, so first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to open the car's door, and I'm gonna show you why, guys, why in a little bit. And now that that's open, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to turn the car around. Okay guys, I'm gonna do this very gently. Alright guys, now that the car has been turned around, I'm simply going to lift up. Okay guys, and if you guys can see right there on the other side, I'll make sure to twist the camera to get the best lighting and angle on it. Alright guys, if you guys see on that side, now that we have the car turned around, we're basically on the opposite side, and I'm holding with my finger, or you can even put a toothpick on the other side, whichever way you prefer to keep that door being held up. I'm just gonna have this door held up, and I'm gonna try to basically push the old little yellow little, you know, thing that's stuck in. It looks like a cylinder, best way to describe it. One of those, if you see the 2 holes right there on the little triangle where the mirror should go, you see that there's only one hole where you can see through it. The other one is basically the yellow thing you see on the other side. It might be some glue there. You know, I'll advise you to use a pin. Basically, you know, I'm gonna go ahead and put this down for a second. So my best bet is that you guys can use one of these pins to push that through that hole, or you guys can use a paper clip, guys. You just fold it out this way, and basically with this you're just gonna push out, you know, on that little side. All right guys, alright guys, so if you guys can see, I'm basically just gonna push right here with my finger after I, you know, tried it a little bit with the pick, and it's just basically almost coming out. That's pretty much one way to do it. It's almost out already. I can feel that it just popped out. You guys probably heard like a little sound, and sure enough, it just came out, guys. Okay, it just came out. Trying to see where it fell so I can show it to you. Yep, here it is, guys. So this right here is actually, all right, guys. So this thing right here is basically the little thing that was in the, in the hole. I was able to push it out. First I used a clip to kind of push it out and almost like get the glue to let go, and then after that I just did it with my fingers. I just kind of pushed it all out, and sure enough, it all came out. So